Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Amelia, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Tube Mastery and monetization before you actually buy it. I also have two really important alerts, so play close attention to before you actually buy it, okay? The first thing you need to know about Tube Mastery and monetization is be careful which website you buy it from because it is only sold on their official website. To help you with this, I left the link of the official website below in the description of this video, okay? So let's go to the primary question. Does Tube Mastery monetization really work? And the answer is yes, you can trust this product 100%. Tube Mastery and monetization is able to transform your life by helping me to earn steady income and creating a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Many people are already having great results with Tube Mastery and monetization, and you could be the next to achieve great results too. So, however, it is necessary to keep in mind that each person applies the knowledge acquired in the course at different speeds. So the faster you put into practice all the Tube Mastery monetization teachings and lessons, the faster you will have results. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic and so it doesn't frustrate you. There is also something very important about this product that you need to know before you buy it, which is you can test Tube Mastery monetization for 60 days. And if you just don't get any results, or if you don't like it for any reason, they will refund your money. Also, for Tube Mastery and monetization to change your life, you need to take it seriously. Follow all the modules presented in the product and put it into practice as soon as possible. Otherwise, you won't see great results, and in fact, you will have a little frustration. So my main purpose when recording this video was to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy this product from, and in addition to advise you to follow the step-by-step instructions contained in that product if you buy it. This just will guarantee you the best results. However, remember to keep in mind that if your results that it will be very different from anyone else's, because your way of learning and applying knowledge is a very unique and different. Okay, I really hope I helped you guys with this video. I also hope that Tube Mastery monetization really measures your life and provides you with many other benefits as you like. Okay, bye guys.